As here, meerkats feed on grubs and bugs hidden underground. They rely on friends in high places. A fork-tailed drongo. From her vantage point, she can spot danger a mile off. A tawny eagle. The drongo sounds the alarm. But she's not as selfless as it seems. There's something in it for her. Once she's finished, she lets them know it's safe to go back to foraging. A scorpion, though. She'll test their friendship to get it. She makes another alarm call. This time, it's a trick. And the meerkats aren't so easily fooled. So she tries something even sneakier. A faultless imitation of a meerkat's own alarm. Now the drongo gets exactly what she wants. Sometimes she's selfish, but meerkats are smart, and they know they're better off with her around.